Make the ears first, and then start the head. Drawing little circle for the eyes. Dots for nose and curve line for the mouth. Give the base color. And then add orange color. Give the orange color all the way around. And give the darker color to make it look realistic. Now color all around the nose and mouth. Don't forget to add some highlights for a 3D effect. And dark color around the circle. Now add the highlight to the eyes, nose, and mouth. Apply white highlights to create a realistic effect. Don't forget erase the messy parts. As the final step, give the blush to cheek. And done!